Tired of your Webflow website looking like a hot mess on anything other than your desktop? Well, buckle up because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to make your Webflow website truly responsive, ensuring a seamless experience for all your users, no matter what device they're on first. Let's talk breakpoints Webflow gives you for default breakpoints: desktop, tablet, mobile landscape, and mobile portrait. You'll find these at the top center of your Webflow designer. Start with your desktop view and then work your way down, adjusting elements to fit each screen size. Remember, changes you make on smaller breakpoints cascade up, but changes on larger breakpoints don't cascade down. Now, let's dive into flexible layouts. Embrace the power of Flexbox and Grid. These layout tools allow you to easily control the alignment, distribution, and order of your content. To implement this, select the element you want to make responsive. Then, in the Style panel, change its display setting to Flex or Grid. Experiment with different settings to achieve the desired look on each breakpoint. Another crucial element is setting your images to responsive. Set your image sizes to auto, or use percentage-based widths to avoid overflowing on smaller screens. You can also use the Object Fit property to control how your images are displayed within their containers. Finally, use media queries when necessary for more advanced customization. While Webflow handles responsiveness pretty well, sometimes you need to target specific screen sizes. For instance, maybe you need to hide certain elements or adjust the font size on smaller screens. Click the gear icon on a breakpoint, then select Custom Breakpoint Settings. Here you can add more custom breakpoints and customize them. And that's it. By mastering breakpoints, flexible layouts, responsive images, and understanding when to use media queries, you'll build Webflow websites that look great on any device. Now go out there and make some beautiful, responsive websites.